here's another super fantastic acupuncture result from Carol, and she's going to explain what she had been experiencing and how she felt after one session of acupuncture.
Hi everybody. I just have to tell you that this is just fantastic. My pain level was 8 to 10 for my right knee. It was absolutely, I could not walk. One session and I am at a 0, absolute 0. I can move my knee and it doesn't bother me at all. My right wrist, fantastic, no pain, nothing. I have got, my shoulders are movable again. The only thing is that my lower back, but we're working on that. But other than that, fantastic treatment, absolutely a must. One session, way to go. I'm ecstatic.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you. That's awesome.